How to use eraser in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first I will show you by drawing a table like this. So now after I have a table, I will be able to use the eraser. So here should be an option of eraser as well. So since this is not available in my version of Word, but it should be available in yours. So there will be an eraser option as well. So simply click on it and then you can use it like you use it in paints and something like that. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.